fast, fast, fast.
Very clean, huh?
Yeah.
You are a good photographer, so you have to make something.
I'm just doing videos only. Oh wow.
Oh, wow. Nice.
He's trying to document the things and what is this? What is this?
Faster, faster. We found. Go, 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 go.
No, we found again.
Go, go. We found this
We
one.
found diamond.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. It's ours.
It's not karma.
Oh my god, Ashfaq, don't do like this. Man.
You got it.
Yeah, you are the best.
One more item.
Where? Inside? Wait. Okay, go inside. Go inside. Oh. Ah, we found it. Okay, go inside. He's going to find something. Take it, take it. Yeah, we found so many things. All the best. On something. Ashfaq going inside. No, it's not. Wait. What is this? Oh.
Nice try. We are hunting these kind of things.
Okay. We found one more. Yes. Bag, right? Okay, we found something. How can I? Okay, wait. How can I get down? I don't know. Yeah, I'm coming. It's sinking, man. Yeah. Go!
Which side we have to go?
That's no other side. The way back. Shut up. Yeah, back. Okay.
So guys, with me I have my colleague Amila, the best person in office. So today we did lots of garbage collection. I will show you later, and it was a really nice experience. And I would suggest everyone to come at least one time and enjoy this, meeting with other people, you know. And it's really nice experience to do these kind of things. It's I cannot express my feeling how I feel. It's really amazing, man. Really. So please. So what's your
It's really
opinion?
amazing. We found a lot of garbage, so we are helping to the nature. Now I'm so tired.
So yeah, indeed it was very tiring because we are not used to, and we are doing kayaking from last I think more than 2 hours.
Yes.
More than 2 hours, and going inside the mangroves, you know, you can see here, and then trying to find the garbage. So you can see the garbage full of bags. We found lots of, you know, different kind of garbage, like bottles, plastics, some kind of, you know, these kind of things. So anyway, it was very nice, and please like if you like my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.